so we're gonna see what's in this month's Kawaii box. Okay, they got pretty squished. So, underwater fantasy. Cute, there's a little mermaid lady here. Aww. Alright, so this is June 2019. Okay, oh, that's, oh, what is her name? Roxy Sweetheart, I think? Yeah, she makes really cute stuff. Okay. Another one of these codes for a free gift. Not sure exactly what that is, but that's okay. Alright, so first item. Why is it always, I always see the plush as the first item. Alright, this is a kitty cat. That's cute. Chain. Very cute. Okay, oops. Put it over that side so I don't get confused. Ooh, what is this? Is this supposed to be a jellyfish? Lovely jellyfish. Oh my goodness, that's so adorable. That's really unique and like kind of ingenious. I like that. Okay. What? Oh, goodies. Kirby goodies. I wonder if there's any English on here that indicates what's in here. Alright, we're gonna have to try that in a minute. And this looks like another goodie. Oh my goodness. I don't know which way is up or down. Okay. Alright, so this, I don't know what this is. Alright. This might not even, no, I think this is a goodie. Okay. Little twin stars! I got a keychain or whatever this is. Oh my goodness! Let's look at it up close. Ooh! I love little twin stars. They've been my favorite Sanrio characters for like 20 years or something. Alright, so, oh, and there's Lala. Oh, she's not on here, but she's on the card, so that's cute. Ooh, oh, I like this. So I will probably offer this for a custom case in my shop. That's what I'm guessing. Because I don't think I'll use it. I already have a keychain. Okay, what's next? A narwhal! Oh, Sunny wants to come up. Come on, up. Come on, up. He just like stands there and stares at me sometimes. Okay, so back to the narwhal. Looks like some stationery. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. I love narwhals and unicorns. Yes. This looks like nail art. Nail diamond. 3D design nail sticker. I used to do so much nail art and I haven't done it in a while. Puffy stickers. Is this pandas? Looks like pandas. Those are cool. Oh, so cute, playing the piano. Oh my goodness. And shamrocks. That is so cute. Alright, this looks like a journal. Our little mermaid. A mermaid and a narwhal. That's awesome. So let's see. Here's the back. And it says tree in art, I guess. Let's look at, write down your free ideas. Aww. So it's just a bunch of blank pages. Cute. Ooh. What is this? Little Mermaid towel. Not the Little Mermaid, but a Little Mermaid. Oh my goodness. This is like a face cloth, I guess. Oh my goodness. You can have a kawaii morning and night when you do your face routines. Oh, I love that. All right, that is everything. Thank you so much for joining me today. And can you see Sunny? Yes. Oh, he's so handsome. Yes, he's so handsome, aren't you? Do you like kawaii boxes? He's like, yeah, they're okay. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I forgot to try the candies. Oh, let's see. So, these look, I wonder if these are gumballs or... Oh, that's good. Well, let's see. They might be like, oh God, what are those things called? Razzles? I can't tell yet. I think it's like a razzle. It's like candy with gum inside. So now I'm wishing I didn't try this one first because I have another one here. Oh, let me seal this up. And, this gum is really good. I don't want to spit it out. All right, let's put it in a temporary holding place. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna try what I think is a chocolatey thing. Oh, that's really good. Oh, what does that taste like? Kind of like a Crunch Bar, but softer. Yeah, that's really good. All right, I want to save this for later. So, sorry my glasses keep sliding down. It's warm in here. So now that really is everything.